Hello everyone! Give yourself and a friend a lip of love with the perfect present to make you look and feel like a K-pop star. Today, we're featuring Wonderlab's DewiChic Lip Tint Mood Collection with 5 new trendy lip tints to color your daily mood. The DewiChic Lip Tint Mood Collection has a lightweight and doesn't feel tacky on the lips, and a long-wearing formula so you don't have to worry with reapplying it. Head over to MyTOWNKL's Wonderlab to boost your mood and elevate your elegance with your favorite lip tint color. It's time to show off what you're feeling with the DewiChic collection. Happy New Year everyone! Enjoy your holiday!